Exponential Functions Unit Review. We've come to the place now where we are done learning new things. It's a review of all we've done. Here we go. We're opening it now. I'm going to miss you, Matt Hoffman. Y equals B times M to the X function. You've been great. Let's fill this in here as we did before. Negative 1900 is our start value. Then 1/2, you can use the little slash or type in right here. Notice if you put in a parenthesis, it's a little weird order. You might have to mess with that a little bit until you get used to it. But if you put a left parenthesis, it gives you the right one right afterwards. And then you just got to put the fraction inside of that. Same thing on number 2. We've got a start value of 6. I press left parenthesis, it immediately gives me both of them, so I can just put 1.1 in front of that. It's kind of handy, you just got to get used to it. And then an x up in the exponent. X for exponent, what up? Nice little review of just writing these functions. Then we do some recursive routines, where the start value is 12. We do right divided by left. Our multiplier is 2. So then we could just keep doubling here. So that's 48. 96 times 2 is 192. 192 times 2. I can't remember if I put in one of these long problems in here that I missed when we did it the first time. Please don't. Not right now. 384. Same thing here. We're going to do right divided by left. So 768 divided by 192. And we get 4. Our constant multiplier is 4. Our start value is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. Let's see what 768 times 4 is. 3072. And 3072 times 4 is 12,288. And there we go. Number 5. Now we're reviewing some tables here. Start value is still across from 0. 8 is our start value. Multiplier 8 times what's 24. 24 times what's 72. We do bottom divided by top. Let's clear all this out. 24 divided by 8. 3 is our multiplier. So we can fill this in. 8, 3, and x. And then we just need to fill in our table here and here. So I'm going to keep multiplying by 3. 216 times 3. 648. And then 648 times 3 is 1944. Bam. As always, follow along. You're going to have different numbers, but it's the similar process that you'll use for yours. You'll look across from your 0 and see what number you have. I've got 8. It's the same exact thing. 24 divided by 8, bottom divided by top. We just did that as 3. We got an x up here. And then we match up the graph. Our numbers are going up from low to high. So that means from left to right, it starts low and gets higher. 4 is by 648. That's 250. We want one that's 648. You know, like this one's a little less than 650. It's probably this one. 3 is 216. Yeah, it's figure 2. So you type whatever number you got there and hit check. When you get that right, you're 60% of the way done. Just flying through this. 6 down, 4 to go. Going a little faster because I assume if you're here, you've gotten through the other assignments where I went much slower on these concepts. 3 is our start value. 6.9 divided by 3 is 2.3 for my multiplier. I got x up here. We're once again going from low to high, so I want to find one going from low to high. 4 is 83. That is just about right there, yep. 3 is supposed to be by 36. Oh, nice. Figure 1. I love it when it's figure 1. Seven out of 10 done. Then we had a little growth and decay review here. Appreciating by 68 means we start with 100. Appreciating is positive. We all love it when people appreciate us. Then we divide by 100. Wow, I did that thing where I answered my own question. Okay, breathing. 168 divided by 100. There it is, 1.68. And the final two problems in our little review here. What did I do for word problems, or did I do no word problems? Oh, I just did one word problem at the end. Okay, cool. Depreciating, cover the case where we went. Subtraction. And we had 44 over 100, so move it over 2 spots to be 0.44. And the applicable car question. Michael owns a car. It's worth a certain amount. He knows it's going to go down because cars only go down. It drops by 11%. Oh, this is smart to do this right after the depreciating example above it. So you know to subtract and divide 0.89. We got next up here. And we're going to fill out our equation. So 16,000 times our multiplier of 0.89 raised to the, it says, in 5 years. See that right there? So we need to type a 5 in. And then we do our one rounding problem for the assignment. All right. Ignore everything to the right of my number over from the wall. Is this number 5 or above? Yes, it's literally a 5. Then we give this a shove to 83934.49 goes up to 50. 49 rounds up to 50. Remember, 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, leave it alone. No. So $8,934.50. Wha-bam. And we submit and submit. This whole assignment just took us the breezy time of 71 days and 21 hours. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's not what it took. It took us like 7 minutes. Oh, my gosh, that's hilarious. All right. This whole video is less than 8 minutes. I think we can agree that this is now less than 71 days, 21 hours. Now it's over 8 minutes, but still around 8 minutes. As always, it's a joy. It's a pleasure doing these videos for you. I hope they're helpful. If not, maybe you've just gotten some good laughter and a little virtual bonding time with your teacher. Have an absolutely wonderful day, week, month, life, everything. Until next time, class away from class, Dylan out.